The goals are amazing, simplifies a lot of the processes. So for example, we have a lot of points of abandoning the cart, and it's not like Shopify. We are not an e-commerce company that is saying, oh, here's your cart, complete your purchase. So there are like about 4 stages, and they can abandon at each point. The data that we collect at each step can make the emails more personalized. So what we are doing, we have different emails for each step, and then our tech team integrated the website data with ActiveCampaign. So if you abandon in the first stage, there is nothing personalized because we don't have enough data on you. It's just a name and that's it. But then if, for example, if you abandon after choosing the pickup date, it's gonna say, oh, you chose this date, it's gonna fill up. So it adds that personalization, and also it's like conversion optimization for us.